What's up guys, Faisal here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will also be expensive one in Germany. Despite pre-orders deals in Europe, a strong price increase for the Samsung Galaxy S23 line is becoming increasingly clear. Although the cost of Samsung approaching camera flagship in the USA should remain the same, a German report now also paints a black picture of the price level of the Samsung Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra models. Although Samsung is probably planning a special offer for pre-orders, the Samsung Galaxy S23 line may not land with significant hardware upgrade over the last year's phone, but they will still manage to cost it a bit more, with a price hike in the region of €100. Expected across the board in Europe, the Samsung Galaxy S23 line will debut in exactly a week on February 1st. While most details of the phone have leaked, pricing information remains up in the air. Exciting information strongly leans towards a price hike across the board in Europe. However, a new leak corroborates that. According to the leaker Roland card across Germany and Vanilla X the Vanilla, Galaxy S23 looks likely to start at €949, with the Galaxy S23 Ultra to beginning at €1,399. Comparatively, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Ultra started at €849 and €1,249 respectively last year. It's important to note that last year's base Galaxy S22 Ultra SKU had won the 8GB, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra will start at 256GB. Model of the Galaxy S22 Ultra will price at €1,349. As such increased prices look evident, the Galaxy S23 will likely cost €100 more than a similar option Galaxy S22 did last year. It is a smaller €50 price increase for the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. Although it's important to note that the 256GB Galaxy S22 Ultra model had 12GB of RAM, while the 256GB Galaxy S23 Ultra will likely only have 8GB of RAM. According to the available data, the Galaxy S23 basic model should be available in Germany and probably also Australia for €949, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra should be available for €1,399, so largely cheaper than in Spain. A price indication for the Galaxy S23 Plus and the other storage variants are currently still missing for the Germany-speaking area. According to Roland Kahn, anyone who decides to buy a Galaxy S23 Ultra model during the pre-order phase can probably benefit from a free memory upgrade to the next higher version, but the price increase in Europe, which are now becoming increasingly like not good news for Samsung fans. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.